Alright, today we are down in Mogo to check out the new and improved Spice Rack. Old on the right, October 2025. New on the left, January 2026. So I'm going to be doing a ride along with you here. If you notice anything weird about the one on the right hand side, it's because I had to speed it up and slow it down every now and then to make it all work and sync up. Nothing too different in the first few jumps here, I think just reshaping some of the lips. Alright, first major change coming up here. Used to be an on-off and now it's just a big double. I think it works much better now. This section had a bit of work too. Here you can see double there. There used to be nothing. In this section, I'm not sure too much has changed, but I was able to hold my speed better through here and clean this.
Oh no, oh no. Oh no.
That was just me, operator error.
Okay.
Right, we're at the halfway point. Again, some work's been done through here. I think it flows better. This was grindy before, still a bit of a grind to get over this jump, but it is definitely easier. So coming up to the shark fin, so after the shark fin it used to be quite a kicky jump. If you're going to wreck yourself, it was probably going to be on this jump coming up here. Now it's more of a long and low. I prefer the kickiness, but hey, it's easy to get out there, so yeah, okay. That's definitely improved. So going through the final jumps, I think they've just cleaned up the lips.
Yeah, that's easier. Nice.
Alright, so my conclusion is that Spice Rack was a great trail. It still is a great trail. They've made some modest improvements in some areas to make it flow a little bit better. In my opinion, that middle third is still a little bit grindy. You have to put in a fair bit of effort to make it over a couple, but overall it's a great trail. Alright everyone, thanks for watching, stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.